What's up and welcome again. You must be very familiar with the design of this G-Shock watch, right? Well, this is the legendary 6900 model, which is now getting an upgrade with the stainless steel bezel. Please meet the new G-Shock GM 6901 metal bezel. To be honest, with retails for $180, this G-Shock GM 6901 might be a little overpriced for most people. But you know what? The good news is, this GM 6901 model has a very classy metal bezel. Well, at least you are spending your money on something of good quality. This new GM 6900 model commemorates the 25th anniversary of the release of the DW 6900 in 1995. The bezel undergoes about 20 forging processes, then cutting and polishing. It is minutely crafted from a complex, highly uneven molding to a back surface shape that can affect its precision fit into the inner case. The surface is polished to a beautiful mirror and hairline finish. But with a weight of nearly 100 grams, is the GM 9601 still comfortable for everyday use? Apparently yes. Obviously, it's heavier than the average G-Shock with a resin band. But the weight of the GM 6900 is still below some G-Shock models such as the G-Steel or other models with a stainless steel band. And to be honest, it's a perfect weight in our wrist. The 6900's iconic front button, having surpassed its merely functional role in controlling the backlight, gets a metallic makeover. It is grounded in precise design, balancing the button guards and in a shape and angle that is easy to press. Even though there are only a few upgrades in the bezel material, Casio seems to have succeeded in creating a new model that we think is very brilliant and classy. And if you are wondering about the features of the GM 6900, is it still the same as its predecessor? Yeah, you are absolutely right. Casio has absolutely no plans to make changes to their module model 6900, so the features you get on the GM 6900 will be exactly the same as any other 6900 model. And if you take a closer look, this black part is the module's protective case. Glass fibers are incorporated into resin for increased strength. The material's resistance to shock-induced breakage and bending protects the module from external shock. This case delivers outstanding shock resistance. We also noticed the better lighting on this GM 6900 model. The negative type LCD brings a stylish cool to the digital display, while the electroluminescent backlight keeps everything visible in the dark. Since 2020, we noticed that most of G-Shock's new products had an increase in the resin band. Not much different in physical design. However, the band material feels softer, more comfortable, and flexible. We always say that you will be disappointed with the features of the G-Shock, but not with the original design and the toughness. With its high quality standards and very long service life, it is very reasonable to invest in a G-Shock. Well, that's our review of the new G-Shock GM 6901. We hope to provide you with sufficient information. To get other reviews, you can subscribe to our channel.